Hello guys, review tablet Oukitel RT3. This version 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. Open box. In box we have device. Okay, with anti-stress body, protected body, key for SIM slot, documentary, adapter and Type-C cable in completion. Okay. Standard, defense standard IP 69K. Okay. Type-C port, SIM card port. On this side power button and volume buttons, and downside speakers. Turn on device. Display IPS HD resolution, Android 12 we have. Okay, and talk about system information. Open Antutu benchmark. We have CPU Spreadtrum SC. Spreadtrum. Sorry, we have MediaTek Helio P22, not Spreadtrum. And GPU PowerVia G9320. Results onto the benchmark. And open GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas works on the device. In the medium graphic level, game works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. And we have camera 16 plus 2 megapixels main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.